What's the style? That way. It's around that way. Mama, so right behind the tree.
Yeah, really.
Wow, can you see it? Oh, now that's cool.
Next one's gonna be
I like this one. This one's good.
Here, look through here. Yeah, look at the fireworks through there. Can you see them? No?
Wow.
Look at those ones too.
Wow. These are big. These are big. These are really, really big. I wish Daddy could see them.
He's probably watching from somewhere else, honey.
Wow. Wow, that's the biggest one yet. That's even bigger. Oh. Oh, they come out of water, right? They come out of water.
That's so pretty. Hey, Tirza, look at that one.
That was the biggest one we saw.
I wish the camera would get it better.
Oh, okay, that was good. Oh.
Don't forget your eyes.
Oh. This is big. This is big.
Yeah.
Oh, blue, finally. Oh, now that's big. Yeah, that was big. Blue. Silly. Wow. I don't believe that was real. Daddy,
Sleeping?
did you see that?
Come on.
Oh.
Look, Harry. Look, Harry. Look. Look over there. Look, Harry. Tirza,
What?
say hi.
Hi. Goodbye.
Where's Connor? Connor, say hi.
Hi. This is
That's pretty.
yeah, looks like there's candles coming out.
Harry, look.
Oh, what if they touched each other? This is good.
Crazy Canadians.
Happy birthday, Canada! Red and
Happy
white.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Canada's birthday is the best birthday ever in the world.
Best country in the world. Yeah.
I could scream. I could scream until I die.
I'm not doing this very good. I keep losing.
Oh, why did you tickle?
Do you want to tape it, honey? And I'll hold him?
If you want.
Or should we even tape it? It's kind of pretty to have.
Where should I sit?
Here, honey. I'll take it.